Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at one of Dewalt's starter kits. It's a really great drill driver kit. Now this kit comes with a bag, your drill, an impact, 2 batteries, and a charger. This charger will mount on the wall, no problem, and it's great to have. Now the batteries they give you are the 1.3 amps. They do not have the power meter on them. The impact, which I use all the time, has the belt clip that you can put on the left or the right hand side. Has great rubber overmold. We've got 3 LED lights on the front. You can see them right there. We've got a quick release chuck on the front that makes it really easy to change those bits. I love the way this feels in my hand. I still use this tool all the time. This is not a brushless model, and this is the DCF 885. Now for the drill, I use this all the time when we're putting in decks or for finishing work. Such a nice little drill. It's light. You've got the clutch on the front, all the way up to 15, so you don't overdrive screws or over drill something. Got 2 modes of speed, 1 and 2, which is nice. And this also has an LED light on the bottom. This is the DCD 771. Overall, I really like this kit. I think it's a great introduction to Dewalt. If you're just getting into it, these tools will help you get the job done, no problem. Hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.